So you take here normally fixed duration and units only you take, right? Balraj?
9:30. Yeah, I have started later. Yeah, settle, sir.
The
Yeah, tell me.
duration type is fixed duration unit.
Yeah, fixed. Whatever thing as per your demand, sir.
So duration I will put say. Okay.
What it,
Okay.
sir?
So we can continue. Yeah.
Yeah, stop your share, sir. Whether you got the screen, sir?
Yes.
Now we are going to add a different project settings that is called as already I have got numerical type, internal reference type here. The BOP. Start milestone. So simply finish. Here next is 0 to 1. Okay, sir. Here, what
Okay.
I'm going here the activity name itself, you have to identify the things.
Okay.
Next. have reduced the condenser. So go through the project, sir. Hello?
Yeah.
Go through the sum, please.
Yeah. 1 0 to 1 0 to 3 1 to 2 2 1 to 4 2 to 5 2 to 6 3 to 5 4 to 6 5 to 6 and FOP. But
Yes, sir.
I didn't understand why are you taking this numerical one?
So what you are understanding understood from the name, sir? What is it refers?
I-
Name.
What name?
The activity name itself you have to go through, sir. Some clue is hidden. Can you identify? Can you tell me?
No, I don't know what it is.
Go through the activity name, sir.
Yeah, I'm going through 0 to 1 0 to 3.
What you are understood from this name?
No, I'm not able to understand anything.
In this one, some link is indirectly referred. Can you understood that and what is the reference there inside the name? Hello?
Your activity ID and activity name, they are related somewhere.
Maybe. How? Can you explain how?
0 to 1, probably 0 to 1 is starting after the milestone. Then 0 to 3 is
Okay, sir. That is okay. What is that? 0 to 1 is denoting.
no, I'm not able to get it.
0 to 1 is having some indirect code, and you identify what is the code, hidden code.
No, I'm not able to identify. 5 to 6 4 to 6 5 3 to 5
Oh no?
2 to 6 2 to 5. No, yaar, I'm not getting what it is.
Here, in previous sum, I have given, we are taking the predictions and successors as our demand.
Okay.
As our demand, only user has to insert that predictions and successor informations manually. But in this one, prediction successor indirectly defined. Second clue, can 1 second, can you identify?
Okay. 0 is the milestone, 1 is the activity. So 0
No,
is
sir,
the
not like this. I will explain because time is going on. 0 is the current task.
Okay.
It is to be connected with produce, that is successor is 1. Meaning is this one is will be connected with the task name started with 1. Current task is equal to 1. Same is 0 to 3 means current task 3 is equal to we have to connect as the successor. Like this, here example is, here go to first task, BOP, successor, assign. So as I have told BOP, there is no previous successor predecessors. So we have to take the 0 as the current task. 0 as the current task. Click add it. So you can see the connector. And then go to 0 to 1. So in the predictions you can see. And then the successor area. Which is the current task starts with current task as 1, sir? 1 to 2 and
1 to 2 and 1 to 4.
Click that two tasks as the successor, sir. Okay, now.
Okay.
And then 0 to 3.
Mm.
You can see
3 to
success
5.
research. And then
3
successor.
to 5.
Yes.
3 to 5.
Yes, sir. Indirectly we are defining that predecessor and successor connection.
Mm.
And then here 1 to 2. Predecessor you can see, sir, 0 to 1. Successor, what is the successor, sir?
4 to 6.
Oh,
Oh, sorry. 2 to 5 and 2 to 6. 1 to 2, right? Okay.
two to 5 and 2 to 6.
Yes.
Okay. Next 1 to 4.
4 to 6.
And then 2 to 5.
5 to 6.
Yes. Same way 2 to 6. There is no task.
There is nothing, so FOP.
Very good, sir. That's all. You have understood the concept. I will go fast here after. Now 3 to 5. Once again 5 to 6. And then 4 to 6. FOP.
FOP. 5 to 6 also FOP.
Yes, sir. And then 5 to 6 FOP. Now you can got it, sir.
Yeah.
And then schedule once again. F9.
Mm.
Select some date. Now you can see, sir.
Mm.
Got it?
Yeah.
This is one way of creating the project, sir. Another one. Under one EPS, any number of projects, n number of projects we can create. Cons. Whether you have pen and notebook, sir.
Yes, I have.
And then take the list, and then I'll give the list of activities. I think whatever thing already are, otherwise whether you know everything in the construction report, sir.
Yeah, we can depends on what type of construction project you can add
But
activities to
how,
that.
sir? Any idea? Or shall I not give anything to you?
No, for what?
To the related to the real-time construction.
No, what construction? You
Construction
depends
sequences,
on
sir.
the
Construction sequences.
true. So you start from foundation, you start from design.
No, sir,
It
not
all
like that,
depends.
sir. Actually, construction sequences. There are 3 stages of sequences. Already, I think you may know. Pre-construction stage, construction, post-construction. 3 stages we already know, sir.
Right.
Pre-construction stage is under office work only. It's actually hidden process.
Right.
It will not come outside, but we can create it here. For project reference, you can create it here. I think what are all the activities you want to define, sir?
In pre-construction, you will have design, you will have procurement, you will have tendering, you will have site mobilization. All those you will have under pre-construction.
Okay, sir. Actually, can I tell or can you assume? You can assume. Your choice, sir. Can I tell?
Yeah, you can tell. Yeah.
Then take notes, sir. Take the activity's name, and then you can assume based upon your site condition. Simply. Construction type. milestone, because 2 hours job. What is the type of construction we can do on the selected site that you have to give to the client? You have to explain to the client. That is a milestone. Yes,
So
sir?
what should I note? What are you asking me to note?
Construction type is a milestone, sir. Milestone, starting milestone.
Okay.
And then next will be soil test. Soil test, I'll ask you know how many days? 3 or 5 days? Sir?
3-5 days is enough.
Yeah. So, dry condition, wet condition, and then 1 or 2 days you have to wait for a report. So 3 days we can take, or 4 days.
Okay.
And then preparing tender. Or initial diagram, you can give us initial diagram.
Okay.
So some single line sketch you have to prepare about the model, what you are going to do, rough sketch. From that model, we have to calculate that concrete quantity, steel quantity, everything, and then from that we have to calculate the tender amount. That is initial drawing. Okay.
Okay.
And then preparing tender by QS, quantity surveyor. Next, after that, preparing tender means that activity is included in the submitting tender also.
Right.
And then after that, client meeting. As you know, what is the type of activity client meeting is, sir?
Yeah.
What is the type of the activity how to take? Task dependent or milestone?
Client meeting will be task dependent.
No, sir. Milestone, sir.
No, it is task dependent because unless and until you don't prepare,
But
you don't finish your.
But here it is for that client meeting. There is no duration is needed. Just 2 hours or 3 hours is enough.
Okay.
In this criteria, it is considered as the client that is milestone.
Okay.
In case of 2 or 3 days means it may be like a task dependent.
Okay.
In real time, it is okay. But if you are selected only, they will call for the client meeting. I am accepted. In construction sequences, it's the client meeting is considered the milestone because of the series 2 or 3 hours only we can do. Just 2 to 3 hours in a day. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Next is once again drawing modifications. Retendering preparation.
Okay.
Once again client meeting here also. So after a second time is here because so what are all the changes that we have done? We have to submit based on that. If any changes concepts means they will call once again client meeting. That's actually a task dependent, but here we can take as milestone.
Okay.
And then after that, preparing final drawing. Okay.
Okay.
Preparing final drawing, preparing approval drawing. Okay. Whether taking this, sir?
Yeah.
Getting approval. And then fixing Vastu date. Or Vastu means already. Vastu date means already you know that the word. That is Bhumi Puja date.
Okay.
And then everything is quite common, sir. After that, we are getting into we have completed the pre-construction stage.
You said preparing approval drawing and fixing Vastu Puja. In between this, what was the thing you said?
Getting approval, sir. We have to get the approval from the plan approvals from the concerned authority. Then only we can start that one. Because 8 departments you have to get approval.
Okay.
Police, and then fire exit, fire services, electricity, PDA. Like that 8 department we have to get approval for our work.
Okay.
I think you already see these things, you know. After that, we are getting a Bhumi Puja date, and then we are completed pre-construction stage. So this is, up to this stage, we are completing pre-construction stage. All our office work, hidden activity. No need. If you want, you can insert into the project for general references. Okay, sir.
Right.
And then after the construction stage is started with the Bhumi Puja as a milestone. 0 half an hour work only.
Right.
Milestone, sir. Once again, clearly explode milestone. Then site clearance, site marking,
Okay.
forms. Forms means creating beams and columns. That is forms.
What is that?
Forms means creating the steel frame structures. Like
Palms.
columns,
Can you spell that?
forms, forums, forms.
Forms. FORMS.
Forms means creating some columns, beam sections, section details. Required forever. One side that part is also going. Nowadays in Bangalore, they are doing as a private work, some factory work. Also,
Okay.
depend upon the site peoples or company peoples. If you are preparing in the site itself means you have to use forms. We are preparing at by the private people means no need. Two ways, sir.
Okay.
Two ways, sir. If you are preparing all of the things within the site means you have to create that forms. That is the forms in the sense columns, beams, piles, sections, everything you have to be. Understood,
It's
sir?
called shuttering.
Then excavation. Excavation
Okay.
means include the shuttering, everything it will comes under excavation. Yeah, creating
Okay.
shuttering and then closing the site, everything, and then marking the site point, and then we have to using some equipments, we have to dig the sites to the required depth. Okay.
Okay.
And then after excavation, foundation. As after that, as usual, sir. After foundation, what is the other the things, sir?
After foundation, plinth beams.
Plinth beams.
Then backfilling.
Everything is under foundation, sir. Plinth beam and backfilling it comes under foundation. So it
No,
comes under
foundation
the
is
above the
different.
ground level development. We are called as foundation. Or we can play it as a plinth beam. Under plinth beam, we can take it as a backfilling. After backfilling and everything, depend upon the sites. Some of the sites they will do stage by stage, floor by floor. Some of the site construction methodology we can place it as all the framed constructions, shuttering and everything at a single time.
Right.
Frames, that is called as frames. Take those frames. Frames means it may be at one time or stage by stage, depend upon the site people and the construction methodology. It's not constraint. I'm right, sir?
Okay.
And then after that frames and everything is over, we have to lay down for staircase and slabs. Ground floor. Actually, floor by floor, we have to give. For one floor slab, we can take it. For ground floor.
Okay.
And then after creating that staircase and the slabs, we have to do two activities simultaneously. Actually, in practical, one is developing next stage, that is slabs and the staircases. Another part, developing walls. What is the current floor? So slabs and walls of the staircases for next slab. I'm correct, sir? Two sequences we can do. Depend upon site and the finance of our construction, we have to do. So after that, walls and everything is going on. One side, what they will do is carpentry, electrical, and plumbing. They lay down then some door frames and then lay down some switch control points, that's wiring points, and water, that is water connection points. Pipe connections, everything you have to lay down, not giving the pipe connections, just lay down the pipes. Simply. Plumbing equipments, lay down the plumbing equipments.
Okay.
Okay, sir?
Okay.
One side after these three things are over, electrical, carpentry, and plumbing, what you will do, sir?
Finishing.
Plastering.
Hmm.
After plastering, depend upon the, if in case of any commercial constructions, no need of interiors. In case of any
Right.
personal constructions, we can include interior design also, like fall ceiling and other things.
Hmm.
In case of like a commercial construction, like apartments or any other thing, no need of interiors. Interiors depend upon the person to person.
Okay.
Then what will you have to do, sir? After that,
Painting.
yeah, whitewash, painting whitewash,
Hmm.
painting whitewash. After that, tiles laying.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. After completing all these things, what you have to do?
Fixing doors and windows.
No, sir. Material clearance. Material will be cleared to one storeroom from all of
Hmm.
the area, all of the floors
Hmm.
and all of the area. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So up to this construction is over. Construction stage.
Hmm.
Now after that post construction. This is also no need. Just we can explain. I have explained to you as your general reference, sir.
Hmm.
Equipment fitting and testing.
Hmm.
In this area only, we have to fix the doors, windows, plumbing equipments, and electrical equipments. We have to test that plumbing connection, electrical connections. Everything is okay.
Right.
Everything is okay means okay. Otherwise, if any problem in the connection means how to broken the specific area. Once again, we have to plastering, whitewash, and everything we have to do.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Then painting final. We
Hmm.
can do both the activities. One side painting final, another side okay, painting final, and then tails polishing. Hello,
Yeah. Yeah.
tails polishing. I think 2 or 3 times you have to do. 2 times or 3 times. Or how many times you will polish the tails?
It all depends what you're using. If
Yes,
you're using quota 6 times, you use marble 8 times, 9 times.
yes, sir.
All
So
depends.
depends upon the
If you're
time. Tails
using
polishing.
vitrified tiles, you don't have to polish.
Yes,
You
that's
use
all.
granite, you don't have to polish. So it all depends.
Yes, depends. So, but tails polishing may be an activity.
Hmm.
And then after that, what you have to do, sir? Once again,
Final approval from authority.
yes, that is client and PM visit. Right? That is the project manager visit.
Hmm.
Both they will visit, they will give the some changes. Means once again, we have to repeat that work.
Right.
After that, QS visit, quality survey visit. Both
Hmm.
are 1 days.
Right.
And then after that, what you have to do is um, preparing final quotation. That is final quotation.
Final invoice.
Final invoice or final quotation. Okay, final invoice. And then uh, once again, client meeting. I think what is the purpose of client meeting, you can know now.
Hmm.
We have to explain about the invoice details,
Hmm.
what variation of the invoice and everything, and then explain how we have to ask that client how in which way they are paying, going to pay the difference and solve that financial side.
Right.
Yes, sir. And then key handover.
Hmm.
Before that key handover, one more hidden activities is that we have to get some PDC type checks, or we have to collect the cash. We have to transfer the power of attorney to the once again to the owner.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Power of attorney. That is called as power of attorney.
Hmm.
Once again, return to the owner to the registration office
Okay.
properly. After that, we have to hand over all the keys and documents to the concerned owner, and then that is called as key handover function.
Okay.
That is the final approval plan, actual brass belt diagram, and every information that is the ownership retention.
Okay.
Give the main key to the customer.
Hmm.
Up to now, one company is responsible with that.
Hmm.
I'm right, sir?
Okay.
So this is the general construction sequence. So I'm not giving any size of the building. Depend upon the size of the building and the construction type. This execution may vary. I have given you one exercise. Sir,
Okay.
you have a lot of surplus experience. Using the sequence, you can create one some, sir, by
Okay.
yourself. Take any size of a
Okay.
building.
Okay.
Any size of the building sizes may be small, medium, high, commercial, residential, anything. Take as per your imagination.
Okay.
Sequences also alter as your demand. I'm not asking going to give these sequences are compulsory. These are the general
Done.
sequences.
Hmm.
So based upon the real-time process, you have to create some stuff, sir. Tomorrow we will check it.
Okay. Done.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No, that's it.
Are you happy?
I have
What
no
given?
doubts.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No, no, I don't have any doubts.
Please practice, sir. I have given the sequences or the basic sequences. You have to create some for some area of the building.
Yeah, I'll create one project and show you tomorrow.
Sure, sir. Tomorrow evening I will give the time.
Okay. Right.
Whether you free in the morning,
Yeah, I'm free in the morning.
which time will be free? Timing, sir.
10 o'clock is fine. 10 o'clock is fine with me.
Okay, no problem. Morning I can take it from the 10 o'clock.
Okay. Done.
When you want to start from 10 o'clock?
10 to 11 is fine with me.
Okay, no problem, sir. I will check it with them. Tomorrow I will update you. Which date we can start the morning session.
Okay.
Okay,
Done.
sir.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No, I have no doubts.
Please practice, sir.
Sure, I'll do that.
Yes, sir. Good night. Take care, sir.
Okay. Good night.